Hello friends, welcome to our channel END. In our today's class, we are going to find the shortcut for how to find the number of elements of order 5, or you can say n. I'll take an example of order 5 in Z modulo. Generally I'll write A to be Z modulo MZ direct sum. It is direct sum Z modulo NZ. I'll take an example of A to be 5 and here M to be some 30, and we'll take the previous example. In our previous lecture we have seen this briefly how to find it. So we will take the previous lecture example. So I'll take M to be 10 and N to be 5. So it is order of an element in Z modulo 10 is Z, direct sum of Z modulo 5Z. Let me take order of A and B to be, I have given this order of A and to be 5, A and B to be 5. So it can have possible values of LCM of order of A and LCM of order of B is 5. I can put order of A to be 1 and B to be 5 because if I take the LCM of these two, I'll get the 5. And I've already discussed all these things briefly in the previous lecture. Now we are going to see the shortcut for it. So it can take A, order of A and order of B can take these three combinations. So 1, 5, 5, 5 and 5, 1. So order of A is 1, order of B here is 5. So 5 Euler function of order of A, Euler function of order of B. So here order of A is 1, phi of 1 is 1, phi of 5. Order of B here is 5. And I will discuss how the order of A is 1 here, order of B is 5 here in my previous lecture, and I have provided the link in the description box. For your future clarification, you can refer to it. 5 and 2, it is 1 minus 1 by 5, it is 4. So 1 into 4 is 4. So here phi of A, order of A, phi of order of B. So it is 5 into 1 minus 1 by 5, same here. 5 into 1 minus 1 by 5. It is 4, it is again 4. So it is 16. So it is phi of order of A into phi of order of B. So it is 5 into 1 minus 1 by 5 and it is 1. So it is 4, it is 1. Here the operation here is multiplication. 4 into 4, 4 into 1, it is 4. So if I add 4, 16 and 4, it gives the number of elements of order 5 in Z modulo 10 is Z, direct sum Z modulo 5 is Z is 24. You can check the previous answer, previous lecture's answer. It is a previous lecture and the answer is 24.